but your friends know. I only call you when it's you know, keep it simple. Keep on trying to hide it, but your friends know. I only call you when it's you see, we got all night.
I'm riding like a jet ski. Hey, so many bad bitches, they harassing me. They like because I'm rapping, they're the athlete. Stop asking me. I know they mad at me. I'm from Canada, but I see a lot of teams. Canada's man. Make them tie the club up. Took your bitch. Somebody got shot. What you talking about, Willis? In the you got the bad, but can't afford it.
That damn thing slams.
Hey, appreciate it.
Seriously, it gets nasty. I know you said it wasn't built for loads, but shit, it does loads just fine.
Yeah, it does it all right. Not as like
yeah,
some of this stuff I've heard.
It's
though.
more musical than a lot of the other shit.
Yeah. Well, that's what I wanted. I wanted it more musical than anything. So.
I mean, don't get me wrong. I like the lows, but if you can't play no more shit, it ain't worth a damn.
Right. Hey, I appreciate it, man.
This one's good.
Thank you. Appreciate it. You just close it. It closes easy.
Looking for a dog, I got the way. Somebody got shot. What you talking about, Willis? In the lot. I'm from the trench. I got the dirty money rent. You were poppin', so I pop.
Best one I heard, man. Straight up. That fucking back to you.
Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Badass,
when I seen it, it's kind of
it's kind of
vibrating a little
yeah.
bit.
Y'all know who the
What you think about it?
Hey.
Does all right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I definitely appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That was nice.
Oh yeah.
How your eardrums?
Did you want to go?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I saw one earlier. My ears are still ringing.
All right. Thanks for checking it out, man.
Oh yeah. No problem.
That was nice.
I only called you when it's
Yeah.
What you think, man?
Thank you. Thank you. I needed that.
Did you?
Yeah, I
You
needed
did,
that.
Lord.
I only called you when it's
Checking it out, man.
Yeah, man. Banging.
Thank you.
What do you got for?
Yeah, 415s on 27500s. So if you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate everyone that's watching. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. All right, hit the like button. Appreciate everybody that's checked out TB at the show, at the High Voltage Car Audio Show. I was late getting there, and there's a lot of backstory to why. But the main story is this right here on why I was late getting there. And TB was actually involved in a little bit of an altercation with a tire that came off of a oncoming vehicle, came completely off the rim, and look what it did to mine. See, I didn't even notice this until I got home from the show, but when that tire hit my truck, and it shook my truck big time, because it was a big old Tonka toy truck that hit it. And I think it was like an F-250 and one of the older styles, and it had big wheels on it, and the rim just hit my tire, came off of the other vehicle altogether. Needless to say that it did scrape my rim like right there, and broke the plastics on it. And these things are pretty tough to get. But so I have to go and try to find out you know, where to get a replacement from. I've got some around here somewhere. I just can't find them. So instead of me, you know, racking my brain trying to figure out where they're at, I'm gonna just order some new ones. But yeah, that's what happened. I was really late getting there. The interstate was like backed up. So, but yeah, I appreciate everybody coming in and checking it out. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Peace.